Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving a backup and selecting the data you want to clean. Convert the range to a table with Ctrl+T. This makes formulas and filters robust. Once done, click any cell in the column that holds duplicates so Excel targets the right field. Make sure headers are correct. If not, adjust them now. You're preparing the sheet to avoid accidental deletions and to enable built-in tools to work reliably. Now use Data, remove duplicates and pick the columns that define a duplicate. Selecting only necessary columns prevents unintended merges. Click OK and Excel will delete rows where values match across your chosen fields. It shows a summary of how many were removed. If you need to consider near duplicates, use a helper column with a concat or trim formula first to normalize values, then run remove duplicates on that help. Finish by scanning results and saving a new copy. If something looks wrong, press Ctrl+Z right away or reopen your backup. That's the fastest fix. To catch any remaining issues, apply conditional formatting. Highlight cells duplicate values so you can visually inspect near matches. If duplicates follow complex rules, partial matches, fuzzy text, load data into Power Query and use remove duplicates there. It gives more control and keeps an easy to reapply query.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.